change your contact, it has a huge North Pole. You said you like my stockings better on the floor. Boy, I've been a bad girl, I guess I'm getting cold. Let me come warm you up, you've been out in the snow. Baby, my tongue goes numb, sounds like ho ho ho. I don't want San Jose's underneath this old tree. It's a little carol I wrote, it's about you and me. You're my wish list, looking at you got me thinking Christmas. Snowflakes in my stomach when we're kissing, and when you're coming down the chimney, oh, it feels so good. I need a Charles Dickens. You'll be Santa Claus and I'll be Mrs. I'll take you for a ride, I'll be your vixen. I don't even know I'm talking Christmas. I'm talking decking all the halls. I'm talking spiking eggnog. I'm talking opposite of small. I'm talking big snowballs. You got a new toy for me, I'm out here trimming the tree. I caught that holiday glee, my true love gave it to me. And let me come warm you up, even out in the snow. Baby, my tongue goes numb, sounds like ho ho ho. None of my Santa's ills underneath this old tree. Here's a little carol I wrote, it's about you and me. You're my wish list, looking at you got me thinking Christmas. Snowflakes in my stomach when we're kissing, and when you're coming down the chimney, oh, it feels so good. I need a Charles Dickens. You'll be Santa Claus and I'll be Mrs. I'll take you for a ride, I'll be your vixen. I don't even know I'm talking Christmas. I'm talking Look at all those presents, that's a big sack. Boy, that package is too big to gift wrap. Woke up this morning, thought I'd write a Christmas. How quickly can you build a snowman? Think fast.
Hey there friends, I hope you enjoyed that. My final UltraPoi flow session of 2024 up by the Capitol building. If you are interested in grabbing a set of those OrbPoi Pros that I was using in this video, you can do so at a discount. If you use the promo code DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O at checkout, you can get 10% off on the LED Poi of your choice. And there's just a few days left to make that happen before the holidays hit, so maybe this will be a good opportunity to make that happen. Real quickly, a huge thank you to UltraPoi for sponsoring this video and making it possible for me to get out and flow in and around DC. Speaking of thank yous, I owe some thank yous to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecha, FlowFests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and UltraPoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links I have down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, that is Pekka Pekkonen. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. Finally, I would be remiss if I didn't point out that this video and all the videos on this channel would not be possible without my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a huge shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you, you all rock. If you are not currently a Patreon supporter but you'd like to become one, best way to do that is head on over to Patreon at patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and sign up. There you can get a whole host of awesome rewards, but better than that, you'll be supporting me in my mission to bring poi spinning and flow arts to the whole wide world. So go check that out, please and thank you. And if you'd like to see more of the flow sessions I've done over the years, I will go ahead and include a link to those videos up on screen as well as down in the description. Happy holidays, friends. I hope you enjoy the end of your year, and a happy new year to you as well. Take care now, and I'll see you in 2025. Peace.